Assalamualaikum dan selamat malam semua. Oh, dah pagi. Pukul 3 pagi sekarang. Hari ini kita akan main satu game, Blameless. Without further ado, let's play it.
I'm an architect, freelance, so I take job offers as they arise. So, when this guy called me, I was relieved I could finally get a paying job. He said he needed help with interior design for his house that he was building. I always respected people who could do construction, so I naturally agreed to come and take a look. I already had a couple of ideas. It was already quite late, but he insisted on me coming over the same day. I tried to comply, because I didn't want to lose this offer. I drove there with my car. His house was all the way over in the suburban area, quite remote, but with other houses nearby, quiet place. The man met me at the front gate. It was a temporary fence, and the gate was made of rotting wooden planks. He started showing me around the yard. It seemed weird that there was a large garbage container blocking the way, so we had to go through the garage to get inside the house. He took me through the rooms, so I started looking around. At one point, I saw a stain, and at first glance it seemed like brick dust. But then I realized it was blood, spilled on the floor. I thought that maybe there was another worker who got injured, so I turned to tell the man. That's when I saw his hand raised to hit me. He was holding a metal rod. Before I could defend myself, he hit me in the head. I must have passed out. I don't know how long I was out. When I woke up.
Okay. Faham. Enter. Uish, darah. Wih, grafik cantik ni. Boleh tahan.
That hurt.
Oh. Wow. Darah.
This bloodstain does not look like it's a result of a banal injury. It seems fresh. The blood hasn't completely dried out yet.
Okay.
This looks like something was being dragged across the bloodstain.
Whoosh. Alright. What is this? Nokai phone. Okay. Nokai phone.
The phone is smashed. No way it's gonna work anytime soon.
Hi. Alright. Pintu.
I can't get further through here.
Alright. Okay, dapat diberabuk sikit. Tak ada apa kot. Ada benda yang boleh ambil ke? Nothing here. Okay. Ni macam kita kat tempat construction lah. Oh. Okay. Boleh ambil lah? Oh, tak boleh ambil. Okay. Wish pipe. Boleh pukul lah. Oh, tak boleh buat apa.
I might be able to get further through the attic.
Oh, I see. Ada apa-apa? Uish, kita ni dah terkurung dalam bilik ni. Pak kena pukul tadi, kita kena kurung gaji. Boleh guna ke? Tak boleh kan? Okay. Oh, ni kat kelas dulu, kelas kemarin hidup dulu, ingat? Oi, benda apa panggil tu, ketam apa tak? Oh, ada rod. Letak sini. Baik. Okay. Oh yeah, nice. Lepas tu?
I should bend the rod, but it's too tough to do by hand.
Oh, nak bend. Bend pakai apa lah? Gaji Ni boleh lah. Oh, nice. That's good. Lepas tu? Oh, kena buka balik lah. Okay. Boleh buka pintu. Oh, ni nak buka pintu ni. Tak boleh. Tu yang atas tadi tu. Kursi yang atas tadi ni. Nice lah. Oh my god. Look at that. Ada benda nak ambil. Buat gaji lah. Boleh ya ketuk dia nanti. Oh, maksudnya dalam rumah ni ada pembunuh lah.
Shit, it's dark. The hell was that? There we go.
Ada orang ke? Tak ada. Ada wallet. Wallet siapa ni? Loyalty card. Like water.
A library card belonging to Helen Woodward. How did it get here?
Helen Hotwood. Siapa? Oh, wallet siapa tinggal kat construction ni? My god, that was creepy, man. Dumb shit.
It's holding with the wires.
Okay. So what? Gaji. Yeah, perfect. Tak boleh. Jom cari apa lagi ada kat kawasan ni. Nothing. What is this? Okay, screw.
It's stuck underneath the beam.
So ni untuk buka tadi lah. Ada orang luar, tak ada.
The wire cutters are broken. The hinge on that handle should attach, but it's missing.
Letak rosak. Macam mana nak? Macam mana nak letak skru tu? Baik. Macam dumbbell lah. Okay. Macam nak masukkan? Okay. Perfect. So ada apa-apa lagi ya? Atas ni. Buka ni kot. Tak boleh. Ni kat tu. Sorry about that. Alright. I'll need anything else? No. Kat luar dah ni. We are going to outside. Let's go.
Whoa. Shit.
Ada orang padam lampu guys.
No way going back through here. I don't even want to go back.
Lampu ni main pula. Okay, so what for now? Apa ni? Sorry, saya tak boleh baca dengan jelas Apa ni? The fuse box opener is locked in the old house in my
The fuse box opener is locked.
Okay. Dalam bags. So kita cari bags. Hello, bags. What is
The
it?
dragging stain again.
Alright. Anything else? Oh, kenapa boleh buka? Okay. Okay, sekejap kita pergi situ.
I don't like the look of that dark corridor. Let's see if the light switch is better.
Tutup pintu dulu tak boleh? Okay. Tak boleh. Weh. Weh.
What the hell?
Wish. Orang.
Shit, she's dead. It's the address of this house.
Like Walter.
Was she invited here too?
Walter. Alright. Kunci.
It's dust.
Oh, I want to see her face. Cannot.
Similar to what I found upstairs on the floor.
What's down the floor, right? Ada pembunuh ni guys. Kena hati-hati guys. Dalam kawasan perumahan ni ada pembunuh. Oh. Okay. Okay, perfect. Kita dah jumpa lampu. Anything else? No.
Finally out of the house.
Yeah. That's good. Wait.
Locked. Locked.
Tak ada tempat tombol. Pintu guys. Awak aku sekarang ni tengah seram-seram sejuk ni. Oh, tak ada apa.
More dark rooms.
Oh, there was unlike. There was unlike. There was unlike. More dark room. Okay. Anything else that I can find here? What is this? Nothing. Oh my god.
Why is everything always locked?
Oh, saya ada kunci ni. Okay. Creepy sound.
Anything useful here?
What is
What's
this?
Ah, I believe this thing can open fuse boxes.
Oh, okay, okay. Ada lagi ya? Okay. No more. No more. Okay, Facebook. Pukul dia ambil eh. Okay. Anything else? Apa aku selalu eh? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Mana bilik tadi? Mana? Tempat Facebook ni. Mana Facebook ni lupa lah. Atas eh? Oh ni. Weh, naik. Okay. If the second sleeps again first and on our CD switch. Okay, you. Sebab dia lock kan, kita ada kunci. Alright, perfect. Oh,
This is the way out.
alright.
Jesus, this place is scary. Shit, no power. The electric must have tripped for the whole garage.
Oh, kita kena hidupkan balik lah. And okay, perfect. Dekati kebesaran. Okay,
I should have seen that coming.
okay, perfect. So, dah boleh buka lah kan? Hai, jangan ada orang kejar sudah. Please, please. Dan tu.
Jesus!
Woo!
Get away from me!
Woo!
There he is! This is Lightwater Police. Stay where you are. You're under arrest. Get down on your knees.
But I didn't do anything!
Get on your knees now! You are under arrest.
Come on.
This is what happened. He was chasing me with a rod in his hand. He must have hidden when he saw the police cars pulling up to the gate.
Mr. Malcolm, we searched the yard thoroughly and didn't find any evidence suggesting there was another man.
No, he was there. He was the owner who called me.
The former owners sold the house due to personal financial problems 2 weeks ago. They moved to a different town on the other side of the country. The private company who owns it now proved all their employees were off-site, having a team building activity that night.
How could you not find evidence of him? I'm telling you, he was there.
I heard you. Our officers got a phone call from one of the neighbors reporting lights coming on in the house and suspicious person moving on site. They gave us your description. They never saw another man.
How could that be? This doesn't make any sense.
Let's cut the crap.
What?
It does make pretty clear sense to me. I have to say that I honestly don't believe any part of your bullshit story that you're giving me here. Everything suggests that you murdered that woman.
No,
You found the victim's blood on your clothes and your hands. You had the victim's wallet in your pocket.
Wait.
And the officers caught you fleeing the crime scene. You, no one else. Guess whose fingerprints match the ones we found on the victim's body, huh? I don't know why you murdered that woman, but I'll guarantee you're never getting out. You're going down, Mr. Blameless.
Wow, that's an epic ending, guys. But kita tak bersalah pun. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give me like, comment, and share. And subscribe is free. Thank you. See you when I see you.